Hello guys, I'm doing this video to show how came the Turnigy 1/16 scale for D off-road car. Okay. So this is the box content. There's nothing in the box as usual, it's just names and okay. So in the box this is what came. So the car, okay, the car doesn't come with battery or receiver or transmitter, of course. Some sticks, a tube for the antenna, wire, and a manual. Okay, I took a quick look in the car before make the video, but I didn't open it yet. I didn't remove the shell, so it's a nice shell. It's covered with a plastic that you can remove. So in a quick look, I saw that the rear axle and the front axle are done by plastic, as you can see there. So I don't know if this will be stronger enough for this kind of car. The shocks are like, I don't know, it's fragile. To me it's not resistant, but seems nice. I will make a video testing. The gears are plastic gears, as you can see. It's not well protected for an off-road car. Seems a very simple car, but for the price we can't expect too much. So that's it. I will make a video with this car in use. I put a battery, I put a receiver. It's good because it has a space here to put a receiver, a battery checker. You can put receiver here or here, I don't know. So, okay guys, this is the final result of my car. Okay, now I'm going to make the electronic connection. I'm going to put a battery, okay, a receiver of my GTX3 transmitter, okay, it's working. Okay, I'm going to make a video tomorrow about the car, show the car in use. See you, bye.